Hey guys, so we're doing the wiper blade change on this 2020 5th generation Ram. The wiper blade size is the same on the driver and passenger side. It's just 24-inch. I picked up these Michelin Guardian wiper blades from Costco. They were like about a little over $10 and change per blade. I used to go to Advanced Auto and get blades because Advanced Auto has a lot of coupon codes, but it's impossible these days to get a good blade from Advance for under 20 bucks. So these Costco blades fill that void. The wiper blade change on these trucks is probably the easiest that I've ever done. So when you buy these blades from Costco, they already come installed with this what I call J-style hook. So I'm going to show this on camera as best as I can. There's a tab right here. So when it's installed like this, like I'm going to do the driver's side first. What you're going to do is push down on that tab, and as you're pushing down, pull the wiper blade downwards, and it'll come off just like that. And then to reinstall the new one, you just slide the J hook into there and push it up. It's as easy as that. So I'm going to do it right now and show you. And so I pushed in the tab, slid it off. And so you can see this is a J-style hook. And we're going to install the new one. And when it clicks, you know that it's secure. That's it. The passenger side is the exact same process.